Suho. People around the world are helping animals. Every rescue spreads hope. I'm unsure what to make of that. Move, move, move. I'm unsure what to make of that. Move, move. Even though the dolphin was very heavy and the sea was rough, they managed to bring him back safely. The dogs had lost faith in people and stayed cautious, even in tough spots, but this kind man will surely change his mind. Saving an animal is like gathering blessings for yourself in the next life. Holy catnip, you avoided danger by a whisker. It's time to learn about window safety, kitty. Every story adds a little more light to the world.